national headlines. I'm Amina Ansari and I will be taking you to the top headlines from the leading newspapers of the country. Let's start with the Times of India. US thwarted plot to kill Pannu. Report. Got input on terror crime nexus. MEA. The United States is treating a reported plot to kill Gurpatwant Singh Pannu, wanted as a terrorist by India, on American soil with utmost seriousness and has raised the issue with the Indian government at the senior most levels, the White House said on Wednesday, hours after the Financial Times published a report on the matter. Next headline is from the Indian Express. 2 army captains among 4 soldiers killed in Jammu and Kashmir encounter. 2 army captains were among 4 soldiers killed in an encounter that has been continuing between security forces and militants in Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri district since Wednesday morning. Let's move on to the headlines from the Hindu. BJP asked Election Commission to act against Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge for Panoti remark. The BJP on Wednesday approached the Election Commission of India to demand that action be taken against Congress leader Rahul Gandhi for calling Prime Minister Narendra Modi a Panoti during an election rally in Rajasthan, a day after India lost the Cricket World Cup to Australia. Next, let's move on to headlines in the Economic Times. Initial market reaction. IPOs turn super hits, led by big Tata release. The initial public offering IPO market is an unprecedented bull wave. 3 of the 4 IPOs, Tata Technologies, Flair Writing Industries and Gandhar Oil Refineries, which opened on Wednesday, were fully subscribed within hours of opening. Let's move on to the headlines from the Telegraph. Political ads in newspapers camouflaged as news reports. EC notice to Rajasthan Congress. The Election Commission on Wednesday issued a show cause notice to the President of Rajasthan Congress for allegedly camouflaging political advertisements in newspapers as news reports. Finally, our last headline is from the Hindustan Times. Israel war should not escalate, Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday said that the ongoing war between Israel and Hamas should not escalate into a regional conflict, condemned both terrorism and death of civilians, welcomed the news of the release of Israeli and American hostages, and expressed the hope that all hostages will be released soon. That's all for national headlines. To stay updated on the latest headlines from the leading newspapers, do join us on National Headlines from Monday to Saturday at 11:30 a.m.